Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change currency on Wix. So let's go to Wix first. Go to your dashboard, Wix dashboard. Then you have to click on settings. This one, settings. Go to settings and you'll find here language and region. Choose language and region, this one. And now you have to scroll down. Then you'll find here currency. This one currency. Under this currency you can see here Taka BDT. You can drop down menu, click on drop down menu, and you can change any currency you want. Okay, after doing this you have to click on done. Okay, like this I'm showing you again, this one, and then click on got it, and then click on save. Okay, after that, after click on save, your currency will be changed. So guys, this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.